I'm Caitlin Davis. I'm a fourth semester student enrolled at the Diagnostic Medical Sonography program here at Ames Education. What I like most about this program is how hands-on the instructors are. They're really very willing to help whenever you're unsure of a topic or you're struggling while scanning a certain structure in the body. Just all around, Ames has a lot of support for their students and just a lot of encouragement. It's just a really great program to be a part of. Ultimately, my goal is to just get right into the field, gain some experience, hopefully at some hospital or imaging center close by in New Jersey. And then ultimately, once I gain that experience, I'd love to do travel contracts so I can travel the country, see different places, and gain experience at as many different imaging centers, hospitals, fertility clinics, vascular imaging centers, MFM centers, pretty much anything. I just kind of want to see it all and kind of see where I fit and land. Ames has been incredibly supportive, both academically and emotionally, trying to get my foot in the door in this field. They have an amazing clinical coordinator and clinical affiliations. I start clinicals next semester and I absolutely can't wait. They really put an emphasis on not just scanning, and being good at scanning, but also understanding the pathologies and understanding what you're gonna see out there in the real world. I was nervous coming in and coming back to school after a few years of not being in academics, and they have just welcomed me with open arms and been supportive at every step of the way. I really feel like my time here has been working towards something amazing, to become part of a community that is just great, and they have supported every step of the way.